You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting name of plant. Okay, so that's a genus of flowering plants, and so that's a Latin name, scientific name. This is why the spelling is a bit confusing, and it's not Cinchona, right? Cinchona, right? CH in Latin in this case is pronounced as K. Cinchona. Stress on the middle syllable. Cinchona. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.